So today on the 12th of April 2022 we are recording this video, and today is the result day for CFA level 1. So CFA level 1 February 2022 results are released today. I think around when I'm recording this video now, around 30 minutes before this result has been released, and this has been a good news for all the CFA candidates that the CFA pass percentage, as you can see, has increased to 36%. So the reported result is 36%, and for us it is a good news that till now whatever data and whatever reports that we have got from our candidates who appeared for February 22, till now our result has been 100%. While some of the candidates are in the process of getting the result because the emails are getting released from institute, and you know that there is some lag around that thing, and the final result obviously you'll get to know. But yes, it is a great day for CFA level 1 candidates that the results are 36%, which is a really good score, especially considering the 2021 impact, where you all know the results had declined to the levels of 20. Now the results are again recovering, so this is a good news. First of all, heartiest congratulations to all the candidates who have managed to clear CFA level 1. You guys deserved it, and for those candidates who couldn't, don't worry, just introspect what you need to improve. If you feel that you want to talk to me, you need a personalized guidance, you can WhatsApp me and you can reach out to me, and whatever help we can extend to you, that we will be happy to help you out. Okay. However, now let's focus on candidates who have managed to clear the level 1 and a brief on way forward. Number 1, firstly, congratulations. Second is start planning for level 2. So today obviously you all would be happy and excited that you have got a level 1 result. Level 1 positive result is an indication that yes, you guys have proven skill set, you guys have proven your talent, and you guys have the required intelligence to cope up with the content and to enter into the industry of finance. It's not like those who couldn't doesn't have it, no. But if you have cleared level 1 and you are going for level 2, you have proven a basic skill set that is required to enter or to move ahead in this course. So level 2, now the focus should be, you should start planning for level 2 immediately. That is the first advice, because exam is now going to be more competitive. See, I have always told my candidates, and maybe in other videos that are uploaded on the tube, that level 2 is the toughest part of entire CFA journey. CFA level 1 is relatively manageable. CFA level 3, the pass percentages are good, it's above 50%, but CFA level 2 is the toughest part of the CFA journey. When you will move into CFA level 2, and as you guys are, and when you will start studying for that, you will understand the difference also. And exam is now more competitive because of the other reason, that is, all those candidates who were managed to clear level 1 will now be appearing for level 2. So in level 1, the candidates who entered may not had any proven background, but in level 2 the candidates who are entering have proven their skill set in level 1, and that is why they are in level 2. They are appearing for the level 2 exam. That means the competition is going to be tougher, and if the competition is going to be tougher, then you have to also be you also have to put in your efforts, and you have to understand everything very properly. Third thing is appear for level 2 in the immediate next attempt. I often get after every level 1 exam, I often get responses or questions from student like that Mohit, I have managed to clear level 1, but because of work commitment or because of this and that, I am thinking to deferring my level 2 exam to maybe next year, or maybe after 2 attempts, or maybe after 1 attempt, and etc. I personally strictly advise to all the candidates that don't make that mistake. You have cleared level 1, that means your energy and now your positivity with which you can move ahead is highest at this point of time. So don't break the momentum. Do understand that, as I have told, level 2 is the most difficult part. If you clear level 2, it will be manageable to clear level 3, but level 2 has to be or should not be delayed. Rather, you should keep up the momentum and appear in the immediate next attempt. That is what I would suggest. So don't try not to, I would suggest, try not to break the momentum and appear in the immediate next attempt. Like for February 22 candidates, the immediate next attempt is November 22, and I would strongly encourage all the candidates who have managed their way for ahead of level 1 to manage to clear the level 1 to go ahead and appear for the level 2 in November 2022. Second question, is it possible to do that? Yes, because you are standing in April. I would suggest start your preparation as soon as possible, and then you will have and try to complete your entire syllabus by 30th September 22. In that will give you, or maybe mid September 22 would be better, but otherwise latest by 30th September 22. That would give you roughly 1.5 months time to revise the entire syllabus, and that says something which is sufficient. And from mid-April to roughly mid-April to roughly mid-September, you have 6 months, which is sufficient time to prepare yourself for CFA level 2 exam. So don't make that mistake. Just go ahead. Time is sufficient if you clear your mind and if you focus and decide that you will appear for the November 2022 exam for level 2. Okay, and the last thing is things to know before you start preparing for level 2. I have already made a separate video for my August 2022 batch, and the link is above in the description when I'm speaking this, so you can click on the link where we have covered what are the changes in level 1 and level 2, what is the strategy to prepare for level 2, what are the subject wise weightage, what are the possible permutation and combination of number of questions that can come in exam pattern, Vinet format, item set wise questions, how is it different, etc, etc. Everything that a level 1 candidate who has cleared and just entering into level 2 is required to know. So you can watch that video and then you will have a complete knowledge about how to start, how to begin with level 2, and each and everything that you are required to know. Okay, and lastly about our level 2 program. So guys, we are providing and we are starting a fresh batch for CFA level 2 November 2022. The details of the batch, as you can see, but I will just brief you on that. It is a live online program. See, there are a lot of recorded options available. It may suit certain candidates, but we, along with the recorded programs or recorded videos that is provided by us as well, we also prefer to provide live online program. It's a live online week program, so every week you will get to attend 6 to 9 hours of live online classes, in which whatever doubts you have, whatever confusion you have, you can clarify it along directly with the instructor. So that is the basic purpose, that we meet regularly. I want to meet with my candidates regularly. I want to ensure that every candidate of mine is properly moving towards its goal, and if there is any difficulty that the candidate is facing, we are there to support you in each and every way possible. So the instruction that is live online is roughly 6 to 9 hours every weekend. It would be a 3 hours of session, one session, and then 2 to 3 sessions every week we will have. This will run till 30th September, by which time we will be covering the entire level 2 syllabus. Okay, ebooks will be provided from our side, that's fine. Study tool, so in study tool, whatever videos, whatever classes are being conducted, the video access will be there with you, and that will be there with you for 2 exams. So like 1.5 years video access will be shared with all the candidates. Class notes, so whatever in class, detailed class notes are prepared during the class, which you can attend a session and you can watch a video of our that is uploaded on level 2 and you will get to know that. So that class notes will be available with you along with the study planner. Doubt solving tool, this is something which we focus on a lot, that you can talk to the instructor. You will have a WhatsApp support group as well. And lastly, the assessment tools that are there, in which the QBank, which is item set wise QBank, will be shared with you. Subject wise test series will be there, so after we complete every subject, we conduct a test for that particular subject to ensure that our candidates are up to our candidates preparation are up to the mark. And lastly, we do conduct the mock exams as well. Okay, so if you want you to attend the trial class, and you can attend the trial class, and then you can look to register for details, or if you want to speak to me, you talk to me, then my WhatsApp number is there given in this video in the description link. You will have my WhatsApp link as well, so just WhatsApp me if you want to attend the trial class. We are starting a fresh batch for level 2, and the live online batch for level 2 if you feel that you want to regularly study, which definitely your attention level should be higher for level 2 compared to level 1. As I've told, it is relatively more what you can say, it would require more of your effort and more of your time. And in case you feel that you need a proper guidance, if you need a proper support till the end of your exam, then you can attend a trial class and then you can talk to me. Okay guys, all the very best for your level 2 exam, and do very good in your life. All the very best to all the candidates, and for those who couldn't clear the exam, don't lose your heart. It happens. It does. It once just focus and just introspect on what mistake you have made, and I would suggest just correct that thing, and I think soon you will be in the stage of appearing for level 2 as well. Okay, all the very best.